Hello guys, welcome. How's the audio, guys? How's the music? Guys, let's pump some high vibration emotions. Yes, it does help. Hi all. Hello Orso Top. Hello James. Guys, James is he's a technical analysis guys. He's very good at reading charts. He has some experience in reading charts. Luna Classic to the moon. Good vibes, good vibes. What is this? Well, this is all the transactions that's being taken place on the blockchains. You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. That's all the transactions that's taking place in live in real time in crypto and in the blockchains. It's called Texas Street, txstreet.com. So let's say if you made a transaction, you can track it live here. Audio is okay. Awesome, thanks. How are you, visionaryDefi? I'm doing great. It's an awesome day, beautiful day. I hope you guys are doing well as well. When Lambo? This year for sure. When burn? Well, guys, burn are already happening. So if you guys are not familiar with this YouTuber, it's called, I believe, Caddy Crypto. He shows you in-depth, I guess, in-depth transactions in Luna, as well as that has to do with the $2 trillion wallet. So there's a lot of information you can find on his YouTube channel. Is it going to pump right now? Thanks God to hear from you. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up the chart so we can see what's going on. Okay, what I see happening, guys, is it seems like it's going to do a retest at the support. Support is around here at the 9-0. So you might, there's two scenarios here. So you might see a retest at the support at the 309, then price will bounce back up. Or from this area here, we are seeing some resistance here. So the other scenario, you might just see price either spike up or continue to consolidate a little bit and then shoot back up. But this weekend, there should be a pump for sure, guys. And I expect it to, like I said, pump was expected 2 days ago. As you can tell, the market has been consolidating a little bit longer. All this is just consolidation. There's no really real movement to the upside or downside. It's just sideway movements. So this is consolidation. So this is accumulation phase. People accumulating Luna. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Etherscan. Let's see if I can share the entire screen here. We'll get an idea of how many holders are, because I've been noticing that every day the holder count has been increasing, which is a very good sign. It's a bullish sign. That means people are holding. While even though the whales are manipulating the price, people are still holding, guys. Give me a moment while I pull up the Etherscan on Luna. As you can see, guys, about a week ago, the holder count for Luna was around 40,000. Now it increased to 20,000. So it's up 48%. So a lot of people are holding, and the supply continue to decrease. So there's a lot of burn going on. As you can see, there's burns happening. That's just with Luna Classic, and that's all. And that's only the burns you can see. There are a lot of burn going on behind the scene that you are not able to see. Burn 37 minutes ago, 2 million. Burn 59 minutes ago, 200,000. Yeah, there's a lot of burn. Also, even though there are small minting happening, as you can see here, 190,000. The mint is not as great. Most of the time, the minting is not really real minting. It's just people on staking the Luna. So whenever you stake your Luna, you take it out of circulation. And when you unstake it, it shows as a mint. It shows as if there are minting going on, but I don't believe there's any more minting. So this is just how the I guess the transaction shows. But there is a lot of burn happening, especially behind the scene. What's most important is the holders is every day the holders continue to increase, guys. This is very bullish. Greetings from Greece. When Moon went 10x, welcome. Vendetta, V4 Vendetta. Yeah, we are going to the moon soon, guys. It's all a matter of patience here right now. Why do you think it's about to pump? There's many indications and many telltale signs. The number one reason is looking at the chart, and everything is displayed in the chart, guys. The chart tells you what price is going to do, where the market is going to go. So this is why it's a good skill to have when it comes to reading charts. So in essence, it's like you kind of predicting the price movements and predicting the future of price. What's the name of the site again? I'll post it in the I'll post it in the comment section for you. It's weekend. How can it pump? Because most pumps happens on the weekend, either on the weekends, starting Saturday, Sunday, heading into the week, and then you really start to see it pump on Tuesday or leading into the midweek. Caddy crypto is very good. Yes, He's very he is very good at what he does. So I recommend watching his YouTube channel. So anything can happen. Yes, at any moment, guys. You can be surprised. These are the biggest holders of Wrap Luna, guys. This is actual the contract holding 17%. Gemini is holding 14 billion. KuCoin is holding 5 billion, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the holders started increasing rapidly around May 11th. Then from then on, it started to climb very rapidly. So that's a very bullish sign for Luna, guys. Although the price is being manipulated, people see the future of it. People know it's about to pump, so they keep on holding. And as you can see, there's accumulation going on. More people are holding it each day. So it's very bullish. Just don't let go of your position. Morning, millionaires and billionaires. Welcome, OG. Binance is holding 1.7 trillion classic Luna, so I doubt they will allow it to fall. Exactly, guys. Let's see if we can find out that wallet. Okay, here's the 2 trillion, the wallet that was containing $2 trillion, $2 trillion, 2 trillion tokens. So let's track it and see what's happening. As you guys can see, the same wallet that was holding over 2 trillion Luna has now reduced to 27 millions. So they moved a lot of Luna, guys. So each of these are holders. So they've transferred they transferred that wallet transferred, which I'm sure by now that wallet does belong to Binance. So they've transferred a lot of token to these holders. So these holders are holding at least 1 million Luna. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so this is the amount here. This is just a vesting, which means these tokens are locked. So the question is, what happened to the 2 trillion to the 2 trillion Luna tokens? So we can look at the transactions and figure out what happened. You can see all these transactions that transpired over the course of a week. And what Caddy Crypto does, he tracks the wallets. So he shows that there are multiple transactions that's coming from this wallet address and going into the burn address. It's masked in a way you cannot see it. So this is why I keep telling you guys there is a lot of burn happening behind the scene that you are not aware of, that you cannot physically see. And this is why I believe Luna will pump to $1, guys. There is a lot of manipulation going on, and everything points to, like I said, everyone's in the business to make money. Everyone's in crypto to make money. Whatever they do with this wallet, it's for them to make money. So obviously, if they hold all these Luna tokens, the value is not going to increase without big burn. So obviously, it's reasonable to think that they would do a large burn, which they have been doing. How many Luna Classic is everyone holding? 2.5 million for me. Yeah, that's a good amount. What upper millionaires? What's up, upper millionaires and billionaires? Holding enough to be a billionaire. Yeah, guys, just don't sell too early. If you're not part of the Visionary Telegram, I suggest you guys join the Telegram so you don't sell too early. And because I will be sending out buy and sell signals in the Telegram, so you know exactly when to sell and to buy the dip, so you don't have to buy more with fiat currency. You just sell at the top and then buy the bottom and continue to accumulate before we reach a dollar. The link, all the link is in the description below, guys. I'm serving cocktails, drinks. Come this side. Sounds interesting. Andrea, it is the weekend. Crazy pump. Yeah, pump is coming, guys. Yeah, it seems like we are. Let's look at the chart. Seems like we are beginning to pump. Hi DeFi, why you say lot of burn we're not able to see, and how do you know if not able to see it? Yeah, anything that happens in a blockchain you can't really hide, but there's ways um, to mask everything so people are not easily um, able to track it. But like crypto caddy, he goes in depth of how to track the wallets. So there's ways you can, for instance, if you want to mask a transaction from your wallet, you can send it to an exchange, and after you send it to an exchange, it's very difficult to track it from there. So there's ways you can, but eventually it takes some time to actually figure out where the transaction went. So it's not, if you don't, well, if you don't know much about how to track it, and then you won't be able to see it. So for the average person, it's not visible to them. They won't know how to track it. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm hoping for a nice big sale to DCA 1.4 million in jail on Webbull. Yeah, it's a good time to DCA now, guys, because we are at the bottom. It's only up from here. Consolidation for the longest time. Yes, it's been consolidating for a while, but it is also a good sign. The longer it consolidate, the higher the pumps will be, because it gives a lot of people more time to accumulate. As you can see, you saw the holder counts continue to increase every day. What's the website name? I'm not sure which one you are referring to. However, I got two other bags with roughly 3 million shares. Yeah, that's a nice bag. What I do recommend is you can have two separate bags, one for buying the top and, I mean, selling the top and buying the dips, and one just holding and without even touching it until it reached to your goal. So when it start to pump like crazy, they have enough for the FOMO. Crazy. Yes, exactly, guys. Hoping for four 408 price range before acquiring more. I don't believe it's gonna. Well, it's close to it. So now it's now or never, pretty much. 3.5 million. That's a nice bag. Coin will also blow up eventually due to ecosystem. Yes, this uh, Luna is very volatile. So any Any catalyst is going to catapult it closer to a dollar, if not surpassing a dollar. And there's a lot of catalysts in play. Is Mex still burning? Yes, there are some that's still doing the burn, and I expect more to also start burning. It's in the best interest to burn. New Luna will also blow up at least to $50 either late this year or next year due to the fat wolves can't sell yet. Yes, I completely agree. You need to see this wallet in classic mode. You're referring to the wallet that had the 2 trillion. Well, most of the trillion is gone, so they moved it around to keep eyes off of it. Waiting for Luna to pump to the moon is like having a baby. We know it's coming, but when? Yes, exactly. Well, that just allows you more time to continue to accumulate before it gets to the moon. So the longer it takes to get there, then it's good for those who can continue to accumulate. Luna will pump, but not right now. The market has too much fear. Plus, people are on vacation, so very little money flowing around. With a negative Fed report coming out, it will drop more in a week. I disagree because retail investors doesn't move the market, will move the market, and they pump it when they want to pump it. And the whales pump the market after every retail investors has left. So at the moment right now, all retail investors has left, and especially when there's a lot of fear, that's when they pump the market because people they all they want to do is scare the retail investors out, shake the weak hands out before they pump it. So this is the perfect moment for them to be pumping it right now. So it's just a matter of time. DeFi, you are so humble. I want to be your best friend when I'm a millionaire. Yeah, I'm open to friends. A cent miles. DCA. Yeah, right now is the best time to DCA, guys. As you can see, the Luna is consolidating upward. So once the market start to pump, guys, Luna will be the front runner. If I'm holding a million Luna, what price would I sell to DCA on the dip? Like I said, just be part of the Telegram and wait for the buy and sell signals. You will not miss it if you are in the Telegram because the Telegram will be muted. Only the admins will be able to write, and also the the signal will be pinned to the Telegram, so you will not miss it. Hi, I followed your advice. I put my Luna Classic on Trust Wallet and connected it to Uniswap using Wallet Connect, but I can't swap it. Anything I should do extra? I put my Luna Classic on Trust Wallet, connect to Uniswap using Wallet Connect. You have to check your slippage. If you can't swap, make sure you have enough ETH for the gas fee. Usually, if you don't have enough ETH in your wallet for gas fees, then you won't be able to swap. And also make sure you have the proper slippage. Just put 10% if you are swapping for Luna Classic. Any thoughts on Apollo Inu? I have no idea about Apollo Inu. I've never even looked at the chart. Vacations don't stop. Crypto 24/7. Exactly, guys. This is, guys, what you guys are experiencing is one in a lifetime opportunity in crypto. If you were not part of the tech bubble back in the 2000s, where millionaires and billionaires were created in a very short amount of time, this is the next cycle, and you are very early in it because this is the next tech, and this is where millionaires and billionaires, well, billionaires and millionaires already been created in the previous bull run, but this bull run is going to be much bigger than the previous one because of every fiat currency globally is beginning to collapse and fail. So all that money will flow into crypto. Even if Luna doesn't pump this year or next year, having a bag of classic Luna is like having a lottery ticket that never expires. Exactly, Arena. It's all a mindset. What does DCA mean? It just means dollar cost averaging. So, for example, if you bought Luna at the previous all-time high, which was 3018, then you would again buy at this level, which is the 409. That way, by the time it get, you won't have to wait until it get back to your previous buy point to break even. By that time, when it gets there, you will already be in profit. Apologies, I'm a newbie. You don't have to apologize. We all were new at some point. Dollar cost averaging, yes. Sorry for the off topic. I've just watched your last video. Should I invest on SHIB or pump it all on Luna Classic? I recommend diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even though you have 100% sure something is going to pump. It's just a good investment strategy just to have. But I would recommend putting, let's say if you're deciding between the two, just put 70% in Luna Classic and 30% in Shiba. Visionary DeFi, it was not a coincidence meeting you. Everything going accordingly. I am moneyed and ready to be a millionaire. Big up with your good work. We are noticing. Andrew. Yeah, thank you. There's no such thing as coincidences in the universe, guys. Everything happens for a reason. And let's say, for instance, even if a butterfly fly in front of you, it was meant to happen. It was not a chance. The universe aligns everything to happen at the precise moment, not a moment sooner and not a moment later. They said that Wrap Luna should go peg to Luna 2.0 because of the contract and coding, but Coinbase doesn't want to let trade for the same reason they even tried to change the name on Coinbase. Well, uh, like I said before, Coinbase, all the exchanges, guys, they are in the business to make money. and sometimes politics comes into play. For instance, uh, for example, Shiba, the reason why they didn't want to list Shiba is because they didn't want it to be available to the masses yet. So until it reached a certain price point. So Coinbase, was it? No, it wasn't Coinbase. It was, what was it? Uh, what's the name of the exchange? Robinhood. It was Robinhood. They wanted to list Shiba because of the volume. Because every time there's volume, they have the exchange have an opportunity to make money based on transaction fees. So, like I said, every exchange communicate with each other, and there's some type of rules that set in place, some type of politic politics. So they were not able to list it. This is the reason why they said their hands were tied. This is the same situation that's going with Coinbase, guys, because the price is so low. They don't want it to be available to the masses yet until you will see most likely it reaches close to a penny. Okay, DeFi, thanks. You're welcome. Hello, everyone. This is Hollywood. Welcome, Hollywood. This is also a member in the Telegram group, guys. He's an admin. Sorry, I'm not always here, but you guys have these large screens when I'm at work, and I'm not able to join in and listen. I have watched them later when they are downloaded. Yeah, they will be up on the channel as replays. Live streams, stupid autocorrect. Sorry, is there any way we can have one of those after 5 p.m.? My time, it is 9:48 a.m. now. Yeah, sure. I'll try to schedule the next one around that time, 5 p.m. your time. April, hopefully you have a Twitter account. One of the best ways to keep track on tokens. Will Luna Classic pump regardless of what's happening now in the market? Yes, it's a possibility. Like I said, the whales will pump it when they decide to pump it. So the key is to already have your bag and holding. So it's like, for example, if I can give you a proper analogy, is, for example, let's say you know your parent. Let's say if you are a kid, if you can remember when you were a toddler, it's you knowing that your mother is going, or your parent, one of your parents is going to the theme park, or is going to one of your favorite place, and you don't want to miss the ride. It's like you just go and wait in the car so that way you don't miss the ride. This is the same scenario, guys. This is why Weibo in public froze trading on Luna Classic. Yes, guys, exactly. They don't want it to make it public to the masses yet. It's all politics. So you think Coinbase settled this, or they will, or they just tried to kill Classic Luna, maybe leading to a lawsuit? Well, they can't kill Rap Luna. So they are just waiting for the right moment to enable trading. Like I said before, it's all politics. They don't want to make it available to the masses yet until it reach a certain price point. Thank you, Visionary. I appreciate it that so much. And now I have to get back to work. I'm sure I will miss something very important, but it was good to be here for the few minutes I was. Oh, thank you for stopping by. Soon you won't have to work anymore. So you'll have financial freedom. Keep holding. On Telegram, you speak about new moon start 31 May. Full influence on new moon is the June 6th, Monday. Maybe the 6th, we're gonna have the big pump. Yeah, the moon cycle plays a role with the market, and especially with Luna, because Luna, coincidentally, like I said, there's no such thing as coincidence. That the name Luna actually means moon in Spanish. So this is why I believe all this did not happen on accident, guys. It was meant to happen. Yeah, and I do believe the pump should have already begun. So if the let's look at the moon cycle right quick. Yeah, the new moon cycle, the first quarter begins on June 7th. So that's a very good sign that the market should be pumping before that and leading into June 7th. So this weekend, the market should be pumping and leading into the coming week, because the first quarter is beginning. So this would be the new beginning of the bull run. Everything is connected. I look forward to seeing all of you on the Telegram later. You don't have too much fun at work. Yes, as BTC uptrend, we will begin to see Luna Classic move as well. But despite its dominance, yeah, Luna Classic will outperform everything, even Bitcoin. My mom had just gave me a necklace recently with the crescent moon and star on it. This is very interesting. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. Impossible moon will never die. We are going to Mars. Exactly, guys. We are experiencing a pump, so let's see if that continues. Oh, yeah, guys, the pump is beginning. We are going to witness it live. Pay attention to the volume, guys, here. As you can see, we are seeing volume increasing, which is a very good sign. We are beginning to pump. When do you think Luna Classic can reach $1? This month. All day sideways, I still don't see a pump. Like I said, the pump can happen at any moment, guys, because we are just consolidating. So from what I'm seeing from the chart, the pump should begin. Um, it should have already begun, but we've been consolidating for a while. So this weekend, the pump should begin. Usually on a Saturday or Sunday, you see the pump happens. But as you can see, Bitcoin has beginning to pump. So we should expect Luna to continue to pump as well. Usually when the volume is extremely low like this is when the pump happens. That logo is Luna 2.0. I'm not sure, but I go by the price. As you can see, the price has 4 zeros and a 9, so that tells me it's the correct Luna. Never underestimate FOMO. It is such a powerful thing. Once the pump kicks off, it'll pump hard. Wise fine. Yes, I agree. FOMO is a very powerful emotions. It's an uncontrollable urge and emotion. Once you are experiencing it, it's impossible for you not to buy. So it will happen. This is what will cause Luna to surpass $1. Yes, but it needs to pump first. Digital orgy. Yeah, the pump is coming, guys. This just give you a little bit of time to accumulate more while you can. because once the pump begin, guys, it will happen very quickly. Don't FOMO ever. Yes, I agree. So the best way to prevent yourself from FOMO in and buying at a high price is to buy at these moments, at these price level, while everything is at the bottom. In your dreams, Pedro, $1. Well, reality is but a dream. Pump happened very quickly means for don't let people have time to buy, you mean? Yes. So when the pump really happening, guys, it's gonna be most people will just be similar to when a car is coming at an extremely high speed and the deer is crossing the road. It's just get headlocked, so it doesn't know what decision to make. It's the same thing. We all have that same nature in us. So whenever something is moving too quickly or coming at us too quickly, we also get into a headlock. We don't know what to do. So this is what will cause most people to miss out. I want to buy more Luna Classic, but uphold exchange stop trading Luna Classic. Where can I buy more? You can buy more on Pancake Swap, on KuCoin, on Binance, on Kraken, on Uniswap. There's many exchanges you can buy from, in Hotbit as well, in L Bank exchange. The Biden admin is a dream, a bad one. Bitrue also, Digital Orgy. Okay, I didn't know it was available on Bitrue. So here you go. Monet. Okay, so after big pump, it's gonna have a big dump. We need to sell quickly too. Yes, after every big pump, you will have a big sell off. So this is why it's key to be in the Telegram, so that way you don't miss the signals. And I will also give a heads up on right before the dump begins, so you set yourself up to take profit before the dump happens. Binance US is trading Luna Classic. I'm not sure. I use the global Binance. It's not US Binance. I'm not sure about US Binance. Why you think it will pump? It might go to 94094. I stated before many factors why it will pump, because we are in the bull market and the entire crypto market is going to pump, and also the volatility in Luna, and as well as I believe all this was planned from the onset to pump Luna, the Luna Classic. 2022 will change lives. Yes, it will change a lot of lives. I agree. Binance, yes. Why is Binance US not trading Luna Classic in 2.0? Thanks. I am not sure. I haven't really looked into it, but regular Binance, that's not Binance US, does have it. There's many other exchanges you can buy it on. You don't need to have Binance US. Thank you, Pedro. Markets are crashing and you say we are in the bull run. Well, the masses are saying the like I said, crypto is all psychology. So I always go the opposite the masses are heading, because most likely they are heading in the wrong direction. Whenever they say market is crashing, it's just psychology. That is when the market will pump. So if everyone is keep saying the market's crashing, then, or if they are saying we are in a bear market, that is when you should be expecting the opposite to happen. Stock market is recovering a bit now, and major companies still hold crypto in their portfolio. Yeah, eventually you will see a large outflow of money from stocks that comes into crypto, because people will realize that crypto does gives you bigger gains versus stocks. So this is why you will see a lot of people leave crypto. This is the reason why I left Forex to begin with. I was trading Forex. Then I transitioned into crypto because I saw the potential of in the volatility. It's the same thing that's going to happen with stocks.
Empty hopes and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere.
I was going to consider Forex. What is your opinion? Well, Forex is exchange is you are exchanging one currency for another, and you are just buying one currency at a lower value and selling it at a higher value, or exchanging it for a different currency. Like I've stated before, I saw what was going to happen, that there's going to be a transition from fiat currency, paper money, and everything is going to be digital. This is why you have the rise of cryptocurrency. So all the money that's in forex will flow into crypto. So if you are in forex, it's a good time to transition now. That way you come in early into crypto before the forex market collapses. In time of fear is the best time to get in and take action. Those who are too fearful miss out. Arena? Yeah, exactly. That is when you should be buying, loading up your bag when there's fear. Just an oak, just an okay guy. So you mean pumping red candles? There's always gonna be red candles. There's always gonna be green candles. It's just the way the chart works. So, for example, it's all a matter of perspective, like I keep saying, guys. So if we look at, let's see how far the chart can go. If we look at on the monthly chart with Luna, I can guarantee you will only see green. So let's do this. Okay, we're seeing red, so let's look on a higher time frame. Okay, we don't have the month, like we don't have a higher frame than a month. So Luna Classic was at 0 0. It was all zeros. So the fact that it took out, it was at 6 zeros. I saw it at 6 zeros. So the fact that it took out 2 zeros, it already 20x. So majority of people that bought at the bottom is all in profit. Especially for me, I have no losses. I'm all in the green and waiting to keep, and I'm just keep riding the wave. It's all a matter of perspective. It's all a matter of what time you bought. Dubai even started investing heavily in crypto. Yeah, guys, I made a video on the YouTube channel that title "Banks and Countries Are Going to FOMO into Crypto." So during the bull run, this is why you will see so many trillions of dollars come into crypto, guys.
You might be asking yourself, can you actually create high quality live streams for free?
Visionary DeFi, Bitcoin is about to crash following the pattern of the world's market. Pandemic, war, climate change, food shortage. I don't think crypto is an exempt. Therefore, Luna Classic will go with it. Well, you have to understand how the universe works. The universe will not allow everything to crash. There has to be some type of hedge, and there has to be some type of opposite of whatever is going on. There's always going to be negative, there's always going to be positive, there's duality. So there has to be something that goes up while everything else is going down. And I believe crypto is the hedge against everything else. So what's coming is it's a global hyperinflation, and also um, uh, a global depression that's going to dwarf the 1930s. So this will only help crypto. I was going to leave crypto. Should I should stay? Yes. You don't realize how early you are in crypto, guys. Yes, you should definitely stay in crypto. I think the forex market is super manipulated. Yeah, every market is manipulated. So the goal of it is to be part of the person that have the power to manipulate it. So if you become a whale and you become the person that have the power to manipulate it, in that way you can only gain from the manipulation. Buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. Buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. It actually the opposite is it sell when others. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. Yeah, that's correct. I read that wrong. And crypto is just as manipulated. April Dawn. Yes, exactly. But soon it won't be. The more people that holds crypto, the less manipulated it will be because at the moment, only 1% holds all the crypto assets, and only I believe there's less than 10% of the world population is into crypto. Taking out two zeros mean 100x, bro. Taking out zeros is 20x. Each zero is 10x. So how you can predict how much you will have is, let's say if you have $1,000 invested or $500 invested, you just every zero it removes, you add that zero on the back of your amount. So let's say if you have $500 invested, let's say one zero is gone, you add another zero to that 500, so it will be 5,000, and then the next zero you add, it takes out, you add it again, so that will be 50,000. So that's 20x. New moon, new money, guys. Exactly. Crypto is correlated with stocks. NASDAQ stocks got pumped with Fed money and now they are pulling it out. So stocks are going down. So is crypto. We are in bear recession and it's only getting worse. I disagree with that because eventually crypto will decouple itself from the stock market and will move independently. Salam Dari, Indonesia. Stay positive and keep accumulating when the blood spills everywhere. Yes, I agree. Keep accumulating, guys, because once things start to pump, you will only be smiling from ear to ear, and it be very, you will be very glad that you kept accumulating during the consolidation phase. Hi, I like your optimism. When do you think Luna will be $1? Best wishes, Scissor. I believe we will see $1 in June, guys. Can you put together a Zoom meeting, Miss MFJ? Well, the Telegram is much better than Zoom. So every now and then we do have voice chats and video chats is way better than Zoom, in my opinion. And you can have a lot more people in there. So this is why I recommend joining the Visionary DeFi Telegram. All the links is in the description below, as well as the website. Globally, that's insane. We are so early. Yes, guys, you are very early in crypto. If you, like I said, this is why I keep telling you guys, if you're part of the Visionary DeFi, you will amass generational wealth, guys. You could never dreamed of having. Let's say, for example, let's say if the, let me see if I can put this in perspective for you. Imagine having so much money that uh, all of your family, not just your blood family, families of your families, let's say families of your girlfriend, boyfriends, they can every day they can spend as much money as they can. They will never spend all that money in this lifetime, and that's just in one generation. And then the next generation forward, their families, many families of their families can keep spending. They will never be able to spend that much money. This is what generational wealth is. And you are early in crypto, and this is why you will amass generational wealth. Greetings from Pakistan. Go Luna Classic to the moon. Greeting Lawrence, Peter. Hi, bro. Will Luna Classic ever be 1 cent? It's impossible not to get to 1 cent. 10 for each zero, visionary. Yeah, 10x is for each zero. Each zero that get erased from the price is 10x. I think you need to reassess your thinking process. What a complete delusional that only talks vague BS. I feel pity for those who believe you. You don't scam, but you screw people mentally. Well, just by your statement alone, you have already failed. For for me personally, I've had great success in my life, not just in the physically, but I've had success um, with happiness. I found complete pure happiness. This is what everyone is searching for in life, and it keeps evading them. This is because they don't have the proper mindset. So I hope everyone had the mindset I had, because they would be able to find and experience pure happiness and bliss in their life. And not only that, I found peace, and I found everything I needed to find in my life. So my way of thinking have gained me great success. So I don't know what to tell you. Gosh, you can't even do basic math. Yeah, I've always hated math in school. I've never liked math. Probably why I'm not good at math. They will never let you all get rich. No way. It's all a mindset. Well, this is why only the 1% of the entire world hold all the money in the world, guys, because of the mindset they have. So this is why I keep telling you guys, surround yourself with like-minded people. And I can guarantee you, everyone in the Telegram of Visionary DeFi will become millionaires and billionaires if they follow the right advice. Please song request. You will really enjoy it, and I will be very happy. Well, I have to play. I have to be careful of the songs I play in the live stream, because YouTube will demonetize the channel and will also prevent the videos from playing because of copyright issues. So I have to play neutral music and music that has no copyright. Weird. Don't think my message went through. Which message? So far, stock market has gone down and real estate market had gone up, but stables will return sooner or later. Yeah, guys, you shouldn't be worried about what's happening. Just know that you are in the right place, which is in crypto. Everything happens for a reason. Just trust yourself. We will soon be in a utility market. That's when out XRP, XL, this bar will go insane. I do agree. All those will do very well. Loving the chill music vibe. Thank you. I bought even more Luna Classic. I am fearless. Bagnodov twins. Like I said, guys, it's always good to take a risk because for those that play it safe are taking the greatest risk. And for those that are taking the greatest risk is playing it safest because eventually they will have financial freedom. It's all about taking proper calculated risks. You said we will reach in June. You mean this month, June or next year? June this month, 2020, 2022. Yeah, there's a lot of comments here, guys. See if I can keep up. Eventually decouple, okay, but for now, crypto is correlated with stocks. So how are we in a crypto bull? Because at any moment, crypto can decouple. It can even happen today. All the signs is pointing to a bull market. Hi, visionary DeFi and all. Hello, Michael. Will it 50x in 2 months? It all depends on what the market does. All these people from poor countries thinking they'll get rich with Luna as if they will let you get rich. Well, everyone control their own fate. So your thinking is what will hinder you from becoming rich. So if a person believes they will get rich, I can guarantee you it will happen. Think my message are bugged. I'ma head on out. Thanks for stopping by, Arena. We can see your messages, Arena. How do you think Luna Classic? How much do you think Luna Classic reached this year? I see it at $10. Explain 1x, 2x, 100%. Are they equal? Well, percentage doesn't equal x's. So a crypto can be up 100% and it has not um, been 1x. 1x is like doubling your money. So let's say if you put $500 and you 1x your money, so that's 1,000 and 2x and so forth and so forth. But percent doesn't really correlate with x's. Hello, do you have an idea about Luna's rebirth will launch? I believe Luna rebirth, it is just waiting on the market, guys. So it's all about being patient. So once the market starts to Climb and pump this is when Luna Rebirths will launch. There is a Twitter account and also a Telegram if you want to be part of the launch. I bought Luna Classic immediately after the dip because of your videos. I'm already in profit and have been DCA ever since. Currently holding over 26 million Luna Classic and about to get more. San Diego. Well, congratulations, San Diego. Yes, if you, like I said, if you're part of the Telegram, you receive the buy signal the first day that Luna crashed, and if you did buy then, you are in profit. It's all those that bought after. Well, if they were not part in the Telegram, they bought pretty late, so they most likely are in the red. Thank you. You gain more positive mind in life. You're welcome, Michael. This guy is here to fill your head with huge hopes, and you all poor people think you're gonna get rich doing nothing. The world is changing as we speak. The the I'm not sure I understand this. Bringing the great reset upon us. It's all a mindset, guys. Your mind will determine your future. So change your mindset and your life will change. Can you possibly check it out? I mean, it's beatbox, but it sounds exactly like music. Beatbox. I'm sure it's copyrighted, so I don't want to play it on the stream because I will get a copyright strike from YouTube. Love the channel, man. Thank you, Contrix Beatbox. Oh, is it your music? If it's your music, then yeah, I can play it. I don't think it will have copyright issues. It's proven that Binance is burning since today. Yes, guys, there is a lot of burning going on you are not aware of. Luna might go down to 405 in following days. I mean, anything is possible, but I don't believe that is likely to happen. Pounding my cash into Shiba Inu, but did grab a million classic Luna. Guys, I'll be leaving in 15 minutes. So I'll be ending the stream in 15 minutes. Just giving you guys a heads up. What you do is dragging people into Hopium rabbit hole. A Luda classic, $1 in June. All these failed pump lives, you're making people drown in wishful thinking. Everything you say is too broad and vague. Karen? That name Karen sounds familiar. Well, Karen, if you don't like what is being said on this channel, then there's other channels you can join. You don't have to bring the negativity here. At the lower percent of the XPR rich list, big thank you for the time and energy you put into videos. You're welcome, San Diego. $10, that's insane. I will have more money than Elon at this point. Yes, guys, crypto is going to create millionaires, billionaires, and even trillionaires. There's going to be new trillionaires created ever in history. And I plan to be one of those trillionaires. I got classic at 4038 digital orgy. That's very nice. You see, not a lot of people are in the red. So most people that bought early are in profit. I turned $170. I turned $170 into 5K overnight. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. If you bought early, especially when I told a lot of people to buy when it first crashed on that exact same day, you are in profit. Thanks, bro. Now I don't want to show my beatbox. Okay. Are you expecting another big pump today? Yes, this weekend I'm expecting a big pump either today or tomorrow, leading into the new week. Will Luna be pegged to Luna 2.0 via the contract? I have no idea. I couldn't answer that. What is Monet? What is the best crypto wallet? I mean, there's two type of crypto wallet. There's cold wallet, and then there's hard. There's a hardware wallet. I mean, there's warm wallets, and then there's cold wallets. Cold wallets are wallets that is off the internet. It doesn't have a connection with the internet, and the best one, in my opinion, is Ledger. And the best warm wallet that is connected to the internet is Trust Wallet. Digital Orgy, yeah, I agree. Ledger is a good wallet in my opinion. There's no wishful thinking. Most people don't understand the importance of Luna and the effect it had on the crypto space when it crashed. Not only Luna holders lost money, billionaires and millionaires. Yes, and a lot of people also made money as well. This guy does not know what the Great Reset is. He fixed all with your mindset, guys. Well, the reset is a transition from whatever asset that is now into a different asset group. So, stocks and other commodities, everything is transitioning into digital currency. This is what the reset is. It's a reset from an old, archaic financial system that doesn't work into a new, improved digital financial system, which is crypto. Seems like you have not done much research. I just can't imagine I can sell or swap that much when the time comes. Won't they block you or crash, suspend trading? It's possible in exchanges. So this is why I recommend keeping your crypto into your wallet. In your wallet, you have control, you have possession of your crypto. So nothing can prevent you from selling because it's a decentralized exchange. There will 100% be people affected wanting to bring this up, and there will be people who will 100% try to bring it down, but more likely up. Exactly. We will celebrate together. Remember, what goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up, except rugs. Yeah, I agree. Do you have the Telegram link for Luna's rebirth, please? Uh, let's see. I can type it in the comment section.
Don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you
If you guys not aware of Luna's rebirth, it is all it's a it's an experimental crypto which I helped develop. I'm not the owner. I'm not the CEO, but I am the developer that also helped with Luna Rebirth. So I'm gonna post the Telegram link here.
try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why
Luna's
we
Rebirth.
lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never
We are experiencing a pump, guys.
there's a reason
Slight pump.
we lose.
Sleeper. Sleeper is always watching. Welcome, Sleeper. Sub, guys and girls, make sure to Will Smith that like button. Thank you and welcome. I don't really push the idea of subscribing and liking or just smashing the like button because I believe in what is it called organic growth because I leave the decision for the people to make it. I don't really push it. That way, if a person subscribe on their own will, that mean they will forever remain a subscriber. But if it's forced, then the person will most likely not remain a subscriber, or they will not watch much of the content. Thank you much. You're welcome. No, Luna 2 has nothing to do with Classic. Yes, Luna 2 is a separate crypto from Luna Classic. Cold storage only. I mean, it's good to have most of your holdings in cold storage, but some cryptos doesn't you cannot put them on a cold storage. You need something like Trust Wallet, especially the new cryptos, like the micro cap cryptos.
Down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
Cold storage is not real storage. You just have the key phrase offline. The crypto assets are still on server cloud somewhere. Writing it down on paper is the same. I mean, yes, wallets are just allows you to view and interact with your crypto because all of your crypto is in the blockchain. It's not stored in your wallet. So the wallet is just a window in which you view and interact with your crypto. So as long as you don't click on fishy links you don't know, then you will always be fine. Only people allow themselves to get hacked. Good stuff, bro. Nice to see you contributing to the Luna ecosystem. I'm also going to create a project to burn Luna. Yeah, awesome. I wild it, baby. Fair play. Yeah, fair lunches are always good. Thank you for your time and work. You're welcome. Okay, truthfully, since you want to voice your opinion, this is not what the Great Reset is. You just proved that you don't know what you are talking about. It is a social, economic, new dystopia system with CBDC, not crypto. They'll take all from you. Well, if that's your mindset, that's what's going to happen to you. But for me personally, um, I'm into crypto, into decentralized crypto because they cannot control decentralized crypto. This is why they are attempting everything um, to regulate it because they know they can't control it. If they can control it, then they would already have control it or banned it. The fact that all you need is two computers, two digital devices to make a transaction. Crypto is your freedom. So embrace it. Nano X, yeah, that's Ledger X. Truthfully, May9 wrong. Yeah, he's a lot of people disagree with him, but he continues to, I guess, voice his opinion. Does Kraken have a wallet? I'm not sure if they do or not. Can you once again explain how and why it will reach $10? Who is going to burn that much? Who would throw their money out the window? Well, exchanges are going to be doing most of the burn through buyback and burns because it's in the best interest because most of them will be holding as well. So by burning some of it, because every time there's a transaction created, whenever someone buys or sell Luna, it's not really their money; it's someone else's money. So they use that money to buy back Luna and burn it, and they don't have to burn uh, their own Luna that they bought. If that helps, that makes sense. Hey Pedro, it's coming down. Press some button somewhere. Hey Pedro, it is coming down. Press some button somewhere. What is coming down? James McDonald, you wish I was wrong. Sadly, I'm not. Whatever you think, you are correct. Because your thoughts create your reality. Bro, the Great Reset has been spoken about for generations. Laughing out loud, the reset is the fear in your mind. Yes, I agree. It's all mind control. Dig the way you roll, man. Oh, thank you. How you wish people go and research it's happening. Yeah, of course, the reset is happening. But the key is you have to be um on the right I guess on the right side of the reset. And the right side of the reset is crypto, decentralized crypto. No one can control crypto. No government entities can control crypto. They can control they can control centralized exchanges, but they cannot touch crypto. They cannot touch the technology, and they understand that. So the only way for them is try to regulate it. Wow, you're just going to skip my message? I'm sorry, I didn't see the message, so let's see if I can find it. Nib. Yeah, there's a lot of comments here, so I must have missed it. Well, you can write it again, and I'll be on the lookout for it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby.
The whole own nothing and be happy will be for the poor who will stick the working class that did not know how to make money during all of this lift lift themselves out of poverty. I agree. It's all a mindset. With the proper mindset, your life will change. There is a vote going on Terra Classic Station for Luna Burn. Please vote. Thank you. Yeah, I believe that's about the 3%. The 3% tax burn. I made a video, I would say about a week ago, stating that there was going to be a 3% tax on every transaction that goes toward burning Luna Classic. Like I said, guys, everything seems like it's been planned to me because I'm able to see the moves before they are made. So the fact that this came into play tells me that it's going to succeed, and that's going to just going to add more to the burn, in addition to exchanges burning as well. Yeah, you press button, it is going up again. Oh yes, you press. I press buttons. I don't believe I'm pressing any buttons. A DeFi, what minute chart is that? It's moving faster than ever. Yeah, that's Luna Classic. That's how volatile Luna is. Imagine when things start to move on a daily chart like this, because it will do the same pattern on a 4 hour, the daily chart and on the weekly chart. Things are really gonna be moving scary when things are moving on the weekly chart and daily chart like this. Truth, my my no, because I will be able to still afford things even in hyperinflation. Then nothing and be happy will be people that won't be able to handle hyperinflation. James, yes, I agree. Hyperinflation is going to take everybody out. So this is why you will see millionaires become homeless. They won't they won't even be able to know when the next meal is coming from. So by being in crypto, you are part of the wealth transfer. You are on the right side of the wealth transfer and the reset. And hyperinflation will not affect you because crypto is the hedge against inflation. You block me like children. Well, the fact that you are able to write here uh, shows you that you are not blocked. So I have no idea what you are talking about. Government must have control over money, otherwise there will be collapse of society. So yes, I agree. Governments will push for CBDC, Bitcoin will be used as a digital asset, not currency. JJ, yeah, I agree. It's all mind control and fear mongering. Exactly. James, I truly, you were right, man. What I am saying is we must take this seriously. I am with you guys, but they are not. They are creating a new system. It will destroy crypto too. Wake up. Well, crypto cannot be destroyed, guys. The technology is there. The Pandora box has been opened. So it's impossible to destroy crypto. The technology cannot be controlled. So all you need is two devices to be able to make a transaction. And they know that. Even banks know that. That is why they are FOMO into crypto, because they know it's the future. Banks will become obsolete like Blockbuster. So those that don't adopt will fall by the wayside. But you guys are on the right side of it all. You are in crypto. So this is why you must take crypto seriously. It is the future, it is the one world currency. And it is your freedom. Your thoughts create reality. Tell that to Ukrainians. What the H? Well, I could go in depth about why this is happening, but that's besides the video and the live stream. But everything happens for a reason. Hello there, how are you all doing? Welcome, Skew Productions. Fathers will be fathers. Why spy? Exactly. They will father themselves into poverty, I guess. 1 minute chart, you can see that in the screen. Yes. CPI numbers come out next week. Yeah, we can take a look at uh, the CPI and those. Um, what I've learned through in forex, guys, and that's stuck with me in crypto is the knowledge. So I do have access to world news that is going on around the world and that is going to happen before they happen. So we can take a look at the forex calendar, and this is how we can predict the market and what's going to happen in the market, because news control emotions and news control market conditions. So what's today's June, May. Okay, we are in today's date, June 4th. So let's see. CPI is right here. So that's usually a big market mover whenever big news coming out like this. That shows you there's going to be some high volatility in the market. So watch out for big movements. So we are in June 4th. There should be something happening soon. Cross all the ones who put my cars and watch me weep. I love that fire spreading all around. Yeah, it seems like Friday, the June 10th, it seems like we will have some high volatility in the market. So be lookout for that date. That's a very bullish news for crypto. So leading into June 10th, this is where you will see the market starts to really skyrocket. If it doesn't happen before then. My friend, the truth is, the Jews are scared. They are losing control of the world's financial system. Yes, I agree. Guys, I have to leave, so let's see if I can find some questions I can answer before I leave. I wish I could stay with you for the pump. So I do expect a nice pump to happen today. You are purposely skipping me now. Okay, before I go, I'm gonna look at every single one of your comments to see if I can so you can see if I can find him. Just to show you I'm not purposely skipping you. We'll dedicate the rest of these few minutes to NJB973. This is a 1 minute chart, Zolta. Wow, you're just going to skip my message? There's so many messages going on, guys. I don't really see all of them. Forex Factory, do you use it? Yes, I always use it. Yes, I told you I transitioned from Forex. I used to trade Forex, and I transitioned into cryptocurrency. Anena, can you please make more videos on Shinjitsu, please? Sure, I'll do some more videos on Shinja. But keep holding, it's going to go up. And continue the DC as well. Okay, so is it wise to invest in Luna now? Yes, it is, guys. We are at the bottom. So I'll see you guys at the next stream. And until then, I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Until the next time, peace.